Sa pagpasok ni RJ Abarientos sa Barangay Ginebra, marami nagsasabi na magiging issue ito sa playing time ni Scottie Thompson dahil pareho silang point guard. Pero pinabulaan na ni Coach Tim Cone ang issue na ito. Sabi nga ni Coach Tim Cone at naniniwala si Coach Tim na malaki ang magiging benefit ni Scottie Thompson sa pagpasok ni RJ Abarientos. According to the winningest PBA head coach, Thompson was at his best when he had L.A. Tenorio and his point guard, and he expects a similar scenario with Abarientos. Nung panahon ni Tenorio at Thompson duo ay talagang lumabas ang laro ni Scottie Thompson dahil si L.A. Tenorio ang nag-execute ng play at nasa number 2 naman si Thompson. Yung tipong kaya niyang gawin kung anong gusto niyang gawin, rebound, tumira sa perimeter at sa 3 points. Sabi pa nga ni Coach Tim Cone, we feel Scottie can play with him. I felt Scottie really played in his best basketball when he had LA in his side. LA can do some of the ball handling and free him up to get the rebounds and play as an off guard. At ngayon at si RJ Abarientos ay nasa tabi niya, kaya niyang gawin kung anong gusto niyang gawin na hindi nagagawa ng iba. Cone also allayed the fears of the Gene King fans that there could be an issue with playing time between guards Abarientos, Thompson, Stephen Holt, and Maverick Hamisi. Cone said, I don't see an issue with the map can play with RJ and Stephen Holt can play with RJ. They can play with each other. It's nice rotation of the guys. Ito ang sabi ni Coach Tim Cone. So para sa akin, walang magiging issue sa apat na guards ng Barangay Ginebra. Mas maganda pa nga nangyari dahil maganda ang magiging rotation ng Barangay Ginebra guard. At naniniwala ako na magiging dynamic duo si Scottie Thompson at si RJ Abarientos. Thanks for watching mga boss and God bless.